All right, guys, here we go. So, at the entrance, you got a coat closet. I wish, mine had a coat closet like this at the entrance, but we don't. This is the front door. Right here seems like another sitting room that would lead into a dining room right over here. And this is a window into the yard. Looks like a broken window here. We'll get to that. Wow, look at this refrigerator. I remember wanting this when I was shopping for refrigerators. I wanted this exact one. Like with it lets you know all the types of things that's in your fridge before you open it. Smart TV, right? Nice little fridge. Double freezer right there. You got your LCD screen right there. And look at all this counter space. This could be like a breakfast nook right over here. And a living room, right? Entertain the kids while they're cooking. And that leads us to this other wing of the house. Let's look in here. This is like a bedroom right here. Give you a quick little from the entrance right there. And walk-in closet. Decent sized walk-in closet, so that could be one of the kids' bedrooms. Let's go into this full bathroom right here, kids' bathroom. This could very well be an office as well. This laundry room, which leads to the garage. Really dark. Looks like a 2-car garage. Yeah, 2-car garage, but hella storage though. Hella storage. Look at that. Nice storage space over there. Lock that door. All right, so this could either be a office or bedroom right here. Full bathroom for the first level. Now we're back at the entrance. So you have 2 ways to go. You go through that one or that way. But now let's go up the stairs. Look at this texture. Look at that texture though. Oh, look at that chandelier. I definitely saw that at IKEA. All right, let's go up these steps. Okay, wow, here goes the master. Let's save the master for last, but let's look in here first. So right off the steps, you have the master here and you have 1 bedroom here. Wow, this bedroom is small. So this could be your little baby's room right here. Small closet, but this is definitely a kid's room. But they mastered extending this bedroom. And let's look at another full bathroom up here. Old school, but old school countertop. So that's 1, 2, and looks like big brother or big sister's bedroom. This one is huge. This one is huge. All right. So let's look the stats up real quick at this crib. So it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,500 square feet, sitting on a 5,500 square foot lot. All right, let's go see the master bedroom. All right, double doors. My bedroom don't even got double doors. Whoa, it's pretty big. Look at that. And there is no door to the master bathroom. Oh look, that's huge. Big windows. His and her sink, bathtub, and toilet, and master closet. You know, her side, his side, right? Knowing women, they probably would want more, so this would probably be, no, actually, this would be your side. Men, guys, this would be your side, and this whole side over here would be hers. All right. Ones and twos. I would definitely upgrade this too. Definitely worn in, but they kept it together though. Look at these lights. All right, let's go back downstairs and look a little closer look at the chandelier there. I definitely saw this in IKEA. Put an art little piece here, but the kids would probably knock it over. Let's go check out the yard. Look at this, they put in tiles. Nah, man, come on, fam. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? The backsplash though. And I might have skipped this. This is underneath the stairs, so this looks like, wow. This is storage right here. Perfect little hide and seek spot. No other exit, let's see. Yeah, this could be even a little kids, this could be a little kids' little play area too. My in-laws have something like this underneath their stairs. This could be a little kids area. Just make a hole in this door where you can see them. But yeah, you can either store that or that could be a kids' play area. This could be a bedroom or office. Now let's go look at the yard. They, all right, pool, no maintenance here. Your water pump goes over there. This right here. I'm feeling this tree though for some shade. And then you could just put your little, you got a little irrigation line that's probably watering this tree here. I would definitely build something a little bit higher for privacy. And look, your neighbor has like a lemon tree, or it could even be oranges, who knows, not in season yet. It could be a little garden. You plant your little basils and stuff. You got your 2 AC units from there. But yeah, you could literally, where would put a grill? You could probably put the grill on that side and just put a little table out here to just sit. You can hang your little lights right here. But yeah, 2 satellite dishes on the top. Yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. Let me see what they're asking. 613,000. Now, I want you guys to note all these exorbitant prices, because my strategy is just to like look at what these houses are going for, right? Because when the market comes down, and you know it's going to be cash grab, those who have liquidity can buy up as much. You just see and notice what these homes are going for. That way you can make informed decisions when you buy. I already know what the comps are in this neighborhood. We have the jobs coming closer to downtown, south of the 202. But as the market changes, man, and as I'm noticing, more and more of these homes are going and staying like vacant. So all these homes are just vacant, just sitting on the market. You have the ACs running 24/7. Somebody is paying that bill. You have water, like this pool going to shit. The landscaping, somebody is paying that bill to upkeep these properties. So just letting you guys know, man, like invest in Arizona, because when that market, this is like 2008 all over again. This is clearly 2008 all over again, because when the market goes to shit and all these homes vacant and Open Door or whoever owns these homes have to pay like the electric bill, all these gas bills, electricity bills are going up in prices, and you have homes sitting on the market for 60 days. Like back when I was shopping in 2020, like it would be laughable if something stayed on the market for 10 days. Now they're sitting on the market for 60 days, right? And they're asking for all these high prices because what they did is come and buy these houses at a discount and trying to cash in, right? But now they're over leveraged. So we're gonna wait and see. Ain't no rush, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no rush. Let me make sure all things are closed. You see, fans are on 24/7. Fans are on 24/7. And I don't know if when I make the appointment, that you see this right here, this is like a smart home unit. So I don't know if once I make the appointment, all these things come on online, like the lights turn on and stuff like that. So I don't know if they're running 24/7, but just imagine, like homes cost to keep up with. And you have something sitting in the market, not producing income for 60 days, a month, 90 days, something's got to give, right? So we're gonna just continue to tour the neighborhood and see what's coming up, and just have as many conversations as possible with real estate brokers, mortgage brokers, and stuff like that, man. Anyway, that's my strategy, that's my plan. Let me know what you guys think. Would you pay $613,000 for this house, or will you wait for the market to come down and see? Keep light on, right? They're staying on. Gotta think. Anyway, let's go grab some lunch.